Good morning. We're Juan Ibanez and Siki Chang, and our topic is Wearables and Prescriptive Analytics Effect on Health Decision Making. Problem and significance. Gym trainers' decision making is based on books, internet, and the specialist's own personal experiences. However, these decisions may not take into account new available information and may be based on an incomplete context of the person that is being evaluated, which in return can result in an underperforming training program or a program not suitable for the person. But nowadays, wearables whose actual purpose is health tracking give health insight on people who wear them, and IDC forecasts worldwide wearables market to grow by 173% in 2015, and also that by 2019 there will be 155 million yearly shipments. This shows that the wearables market is rapidly growing, thus making it a good subject for research. Also, health tracking platforms are on the rise and harnessing wearables big data. And we can use prescriptive analytics, which automatically synthesizes big data, multiple disciplines of mathematical sciences and computational sciences, and business rules to make predictions and then suggest decisions options to take advantage of the predictions, resulting in allowing us to provide insights on the effects of future decisions and why those effects did happen. Our research questions are: first, does using prescriptive analytics fed on public health platforms give valuable insight to gym trainers? Second, does prescriptive analytics aided decision making outperform traditional decision making for gym trainers? And finally, how is decision making affected by introducing prescriptive analytics aids to gym trainers?
To solve the problems, at first, we can create a web application implementation of prospective analytics. We use this application to extract data about health information of wearable devices from the internet. Then we will have a group of gym trainers to do training programs to set up people with specific goals, and another group of gym trainers that are aided by the system done in step 1 with a separate group of people to train. Both groups with trimestral training program revision, and after 6 months of training programs, evaluate which group did the best. And we will interview the participants to know how was their decision-making process affected by introducing the prospective analytics implementation. We will have 2 outcomes. One is an implementation of prospective analytics using data generated from public wearables. The other is how was the specialist decision-making process affected by the analytics and how much that affected the final outcome of the decision, and we will make it into the report. From the method, we will have a conception of a system that can do prospective analytics based on public wearable-based information. We will also be able to find out the quantitative distinction between using prospective analytics or not for training programs, and an understanding of how does having the analytical aid modify the process of decision-making in health specialists.